Hey everyone, friends, welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to use e4mc, a mod for Minecraft. So first we need to install it. Go to your browser, type e4mc, head to the forum site, Files, and pick the files for your core. Mine's Forge, so I go to Forge and click Download. Alright, so the file downloads, and we just need to put it directly in the mods folder. To do this, open run, %update, %OK. Here's .minecraft mods, and we drop our mod in here. There. Now we launch it through Forge. So we enter the game, click single player, and jump into any world. Once in the world, hit escape and click open to LAN. So here we go. There's a port, right? Click start LAN world and you'll get this e4mc link, see? Click on it and your friend needs the same mod, goes to multiplayer and adds a server. Then click direct connect and just join. I think you can even do it without this mod if I'm not mistaken. Or is it needed? I don't remember exactly anymore. And that's it. You can play. This was Weller. See you all later.